outro boitão.
Alright, last thing, then you're done. You gotta. Oh, ah! What is all over your body?
I ran out of things to decorate, so I decorated myself.
You Oh, Lord help me.
Do you like it?
Is that glitter in your hair?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Oh, why would you do that?
Christmas hair.
Oh, no, don't you.
Christmas hair!
Oh, I need like 7 bottles of wine.
Deck the halls with poison ivy, fa la 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 la. If you touch it, you'll be sorry, fa la 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 la. Break a window, pop a tire, fa la 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 la. Set the Christmas tree on fire, fa la 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 la.
I don't want a lot for Christmas.
What?
There is just one thing I need. I don't care about them presents underneath the Christmas tree.
What else?
I just want you for my own.
You.
More than you could ever know.
You.
Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas. You.
Avocado! Rain!
It is Christmas time, my dudes.
Look at the Christmas lights!
That's a stoplight!
Pretty sure they're Christmas.
Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Chrysler.
Baby can't stay, baby, it's cold outside. I've got to go away, baby.
Good morning, Alex!
You better watch out.
Check out this beautiful meal and my beautiful dog and my beautiful mom on this beautiful Christmas.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat.